Hello everyone! Divide the scalp into two portions. Taking a section of the front of one of the sides, make two braids and then twist it in on itself. Twist one of them and then bring it out through the other end and lift it up and tie it as such. Braid the bottom and then roll it upwards. Add two decorative bows. For our next hairdo, section off the front of the hair. Tie a rubber band to it. Once you are done with this, twist this portion of the hair in on itself upwards so that it forms two twists. Make two divisions, add multiple rubber bands and make it into the shape of a heart. Tie a ponytail. For our next hairdo, section off the top of the hair, make two braids out of it, twist it and make it into a bow-like shape. Add a rubber band. Take the rest of the bow and then tie it upwards as well. Braid the bottom and lift it up and tie it up. Add a decorative rubber band. Next, start off by tying a ponytail. Section off a part of the ponytail and make a braid out of it. For the rest of the ponytail, tie a rubber band to the middle of it and then take two more sections of it, wrap it around the first section and then repeat this process until you reach the bottom. Using your fingers, loosen the hair. This is what it should look like. Then, let down the first braid that you made. Thank you for watching.